Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to start doing recording my journey with KDP low content books, right? Now I've been working with KDP Amazon from since 2014. I have been uploading nonfiction books. I think I did that for a year, 2014, right? Nonfiction books. I did some children's books and I did a few coloring books and stuff. And that was going okay. In those days we had Create Space. It was sort of like a subsidiary company from Amazon where you do the paperback book. The Kindle version that they have right now, KDP, was just basically for the Kindle books, right? Now everything is under KDP. There's no Create Space anymore. Anywho, so from 2015 to now, May 2012, I have not been uploading anything. I was sidetracked to do something else because the money I was making from the books that I had already, it wasn't sufficient for me to be able to outsource writers for another book. That's what I did. I outsourced writers for my books, okay? In May 2021, I learned about the low content book or no content books, right? And I dived into that because I found it very interesting. It's easy to do. There's no cost to me. Just, if you know about it, they're quite easy to do. But even though they're quite easy to do, the competition is very, very stiff. All right, so I decided, I say, you know what, I think I want to record my journey. So for anybody who is thinking about doing this, they could see my progress. And for me too as well, I could always refer back to these videos to see my progress. All right, so let's start at looking at, I'm going to show you my income from 2020, December 2020 to May, so you can see how I've been progressing. And I need to say too as well, even though I have not been uploading books from 2015 to May 2021, I have still been generating an income, which is really, really cool. I like that, money was still coming into my account, even though I totally ignore my books for that time period. And that's something I need to say. Our books are our assets, so we need to treat them as assets and not just something to put at the wayside. Just to sort of mention that. All right, so I have here my income for the period December to 2020 to May 21. So you can see how I've still been earning money even though I wasn't doing anything. Okay, right, and then you'll see from May when I started to do the low content book and how I've been progressing from that. That's my whole intention with this video and these videos moving forward. So we have December here, and of course we expect December to be income to be high because a lot of people are shopping and stuff. December, yeah. My income for December 2020 was $78.67. Again, these are basically nonfiction books, coloring books, a few of them, okay? And then in January, my income here is $91.14. February, of course, it dropped down to $51.44, right? And in March, $52.30. In April, $68.66. The income went up nicely there. And for May, it dropped right down to $31.00. That's really, really meager. I think that's the poorest for the year so far. So in my other videos, I'll be doing my income report for each month, so you can see how I progress after that. And I'll be talking to you about what different types of books I have been doing. So let me look as we start. I started to show you my income before I really started doing the low income books. So the next month I'm going to show you now, it's June, right? So in May here, I started the low income books on around 28th of May. So you wouldn't see anything showing up in May. So let me show you my income for June 2021. Okay, so here we go again. All right, so in comparison to the other little part that you saw before, I was started from December 2020. Now I'm doing this clip from February 2021 to June 21, so you could see my increase after I started the publishing the no content books. Okay, all right, so you can see here from May, as I said before, May my income had dropped really, really low for the years at that time to $31.02. All right. And in June, after I started to publish the low content books, my income rose to $56.73, which is really, really nice. And so I made some sales in this month. Okay, I need to make a correction there. For my income for June, I didn't sell any of those low content books in June. I was just reviewing my sales, and the sales that I made are just my old non-fiction books, coloring books, and things like that in June. So what I've been doing since I started back uploading books to KDP, I'm learning much more since I have not been away for a while. I'm learning so much more since, right? So I have been going through the keywords for some of my old books, updating the keywords, and even in some instances I have redesigned the covers of the books. So for June, I have not made any sales for the low content book. It's just basically my non-fiction books and coloring books and things like that. All right, I just thought I would share with you today my income for May and June. Sorry, my income for June 2021 since I started publishing no content books and low content books with Amazon KDP. Look out for my next video with my July income report, my July earnings report. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.